without triggering these damaging physical forces? If we want to stay active for decades, joint longevity becomes the primary metric of a successful fitness routine. This program overview reveals a biological loophole. Keeping one foot on the ground eliminates the vertical ground reaction forces associated with high-impact training. Before applying load, the guide outlines a mobilization phase to actively prepare the body's internal shock absorbers. Synovial fluid acts as a viscous biological lubricant. When it's actively flowing, it physically separates the ends of your bones and reduces friction between the articular cartilages during heavy movement. To trigger this fluid production, you have to elevate the core temperature. Movements like an aggressive high knee march with sweeping arm swings force blood into the extremities and signal the joints to start lubricating. Mobilization acts as a mechanical precursor, engineering a frictionless environment for the skeleton before work begins. Building low-impact muscle relies on precise anatomical alignment, as seen in the resistance and stability section. Notice the sumo squat instructions. By combining a wide stance, vertical torso, and precise knee tracking, you distribute the load evenly, avoiding lateral shearing forces. Further down, the reverse lunge utilizes similar logic. Stepping backward keeps weight anchored in the front heel to protect the anterior knee joint. The bird dog movement then establishes a crucial baseline, teaching the body to brace and maintain a neutral spine in motion. Muscular development is an act of architectural precision. You build strength by loading the frame exactly where it is designed to bear weight. This raises a question of performance. Can a routine reach a cardiovascular threshold without the momentum of jumping? The section on low-impact aerobics demonstrates how high output power can be generated from a stable base. The low-impact skater modification creates heavy metabolic demand through sweeping lateral power. You drive the heart rate up by creating wide physical displacement from side to side, while remaining firmly anchored to the floor. You can also manipulate the body's center of mass. Adding large overhead arm arcs shifts the center upward, forcing your heart to work harder against gravity to supply oxygen to the elevated limbs. At the bottom of the guide, a crucial efficiency tip suggests increasing your time under tension. Moving slowly during the downward eccentric phase of a squat forces the muscles to work harder without adding a single ounce of impact. Intensity is a result of how we manipulate mass, gravity, and time, variables we can tune without ever leaving the ground. Moving to the final phase shifts the focus squarely onto the central pillar of the body. The dead bug exercise acts as a gold standard for lumbar stability. Keeping the lower back glued to the mat while lowering opposite limbs protects the human spine. These mechanical levers, ground